Hey guys, welcome back to another hairstyle video. So in today's video, we're going to be doing this cute braided headband. So if you want to see how I did it, keep watching. So for your sections, you want to section from the top of your head to behind the ear, and in one section I left it a little bit more behind the ear so you can tie it and the rubber band won't show. But for the braid, we're going to be doing a Dutch braid, and you can do a French braid, but I think the Dutch braid looks a lot better as a headband than the French braid. And if you don't know how to Dutch braid, I can make a video on that too. So you want to just braid from one side all the way over to the other side. And I always leave out 2 little strands of hair because they look really cute when you curl them. But you could leave out your bangs, or you can cut bangs or do curtain bangs and style them, and they still look really cute. And if you want to know how to cut bangs, I can make a video on that too. But once you get to the end of the hair, you want to tie it with a rubber band close to the scalp. And then once you do that, you want to pin it under the rest of the hair that's just falling down, because that way it'll hide the rubber band. And that's pretty much it for the hairstyle. But I would say if you have thin, fine hair, to go back and fluff out the braids a little bit to make it look a little bit fuller. But you could put some waves in your hair, put some curls, leave it straight. Either way, it looks cute. So if you like these kind of videos, let me know in the comments, and like and subscribe, and follow me on my Instagram and TikTok for more hair videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.